So my box showed up.
Cancer patient LaTanya Wilson is trying to fight the disease in a novel way with a saliva sample. Wilson has stage 4 metastatic breast cancer, meaning it has spread and cannot be cured. But she hopes that'll change through an unusual, crowdsourced public study driven by people like her.
You know, everybody hollers about, we need a cure, we need a cure. If you want a cure, you want better treatments, then participating in this.
Promoted on social media and by patient advocacy groups, the Metastatic Breast Cancer Project now has more than 2,600 participants. They fill out questionnaires, submit saliva kits, and give researchers access to their tumor samples and medical records. They can even tour the lab, where scientists are looking for genetic clues that could lead to earlier and targeted intervention.
So this is different than how most studies are run. This is a way for patients to take participation in research into their own hands.
Since the project began a year ago, researchers have identified small groups of patients who've responded well to standard chemotherapy or to new immunotherapy drugs. They hope DNA analysis will explain why. The early findings are encouraging to women like Jessica Leap, who was diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer in 2013.
Because if you go online and you Google this disease, they have you dead in 5 years. I hope there's a cure. We need a cure.
Experts overseeing the effort at Harvard University, Dana-Farber, and MIT's Broad Institute say the data will be shared with other doctors. For now, LaTanya Wilson says just participating is a small source of comfort.
I help by providing my medical information. I help by trying to get other people to participate in this. The doctors and the scientists, they can do but so much, but they need people to participate.
Boosting the odds of finding better treatments. Kathy Matheson, Associated Press.